Let's have some fun. In order to truly show the power of ChemDry's hot carbonating extraction, I have a piece of carpet, some regular everyday dirt, and some cooking oil. I'm going to take the cooking oil and mix it with some everyday dirt. Some might say this worst case scenario is an uncleanable carpet, but not with ChemDry. Watch as I run the power head over the soiled area. You will see the true power of hot carbonating extraction. ChemDry's hot carbonated solution, joined with the power head and amplified extraction technology, provides you with the best cleaning system in the world, leaving your carpet sparkling clean and dry in 1 to 2 hours, not 1 to 2 days. Now you have seen the truly amazing cleaning power of the ChemDry process. You may be asking yourself, what's the difference between ChemDry and regular steam cleaners? Most steam cleaners use a flat, inactive chemical-based solution. ChemDry's hot carbonating extraction uses a natural, carbonated active cleaning solution. Most steam cleaners use chemicals, soaps, or brighteners that can be toxic and may cause damage to the carpet fibers over time. ChemDry's natural solution has a neutral pH, is safe, and non-toxic to children and pets. Most steam cleaners use soaps that leave behind a dirt-attractive residue that cause your carpets to look dirty soon after they have been cleaned. ChemDry's process resists the common resoiling of your carpets after they have been cleaned, leaving your carpets cleaner longer. Most steam cleaners use gallons of water along with a high-pressure application that can drive buckets of water down into the backing and pad of the carpet, causing long dry times. ChemDry's process uses a small amount of water with a low pressure application. This allows you to have clean, dry carpets in 1 to 2 hours, not 1 to 2 days.